You are welcome in my channel. Today I'm gonna present you 10 proven ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. Sticking to a conventional diet and exercise plan can be difficult. However, there are several proven tips that may help you to eat fewer calories with ease. These are effective ways to reduce your weight, as well as to prevent weight gain in the future. Number 1. Chew thoroughly and slow down. Your brain needs time to process that you have had enough food. Chewing your food thoroughly makes you eat more slowly, which is associated with decreased food intake, increased fullness, and smaller portion sizes. How quickly you finish your meals may also affect your weight. Fast eaters are also much more likely to be obese. To get into the habit of eating more slowly, it may help to count how many times you chew each bite. Number 2. Use smaller plates for unhealthy food. The typical food plate is larger today than it was few decades ago. This trend could contribute to weight gain, since using a smaller plate may help you to eat less by making portions look larger. On the other hand, a bigger plate can make a serving look smaller, causing you to eat more food. You can use this to your advantage by serving healthy food on a bigger plate and less healthy food on a smaller plate. Number 3. Eat plenty of protein. Protein has powerful effects on appetite. It can increase feeling of fullness, reduce hunger, and help you to eat fewer calories. One study found that increasing protein intake from 15 to 30% of calories help participants eat 441 fewer calories per day and lose 20 kg over 12 weeks on average without intentionally restricting any foods. If you currently eat a grain-based breakfast, you may want to consider switching to protein-rich meal such as eggs. Some examples of protein-rich foods include chicken breast, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, and almonds. Number 4. Store unhealthy foods out of sight. Storing unhealthy foods where you can see them may increase hunger and craving, causing you to eat more. This is also linked to weight gain. Store unhealthy foods out of sight, such as in closets or cupboards, so that they are less likely to catch your eyes. On the other hand, keep healthy foods visible on your front or place them front center in your fridge. Number 5. Eat fiber-rich foods. Eating fiber-rich foods help you to feel fuller for longer time. Studies also show that one type of fiber, which is viscous fiber, is particularly helpful for weight loss. It increases fullness and reduces food intake. Viscous fiber is only found in plant foods. Example includes beans, oat cereals, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and oranges. Number 6. Drink water regularly. Drinking water can help you eat less and weight loss. especially if you drink it before a meal. One study in adults found that drinking half a liter of water about 30 minutes before meals reduce hunger and lessen calories intake. If you replace calorie loaded drinks such as soda or juice with water, you may experience an even greater effect. Number 7. Serve yourself smaller portions. Portion sizes have increased during the last few decades, especially at restaurants. Larger portions encourage people to eat more and have been linked to increase in weight gain and obesity. One study in adults found that doubling the size of a dinner appetizer increased calorie intake by 30%. Serving yourself just a little less might help you to eat significantly fewer calories, and you probably won't even notice the difference. Number 8. Eat without electronic distractions. Paying attention to what you eat may help you consume fewer calories. People who eat while they are watching television or playing computer games may lose track of how much they have eaten. This in turn causes overeating. Number 9. Sleep well and avoid stress. When it comes to health, people often neglect sleep and stress. Both, in fact, have powerful effects on your appetite and weight. A lack of sleep may disrupt the appetite regulating hormones such as leptin and ghrelin. And there is another hormone, cortisol, become elevated when you are stressed. Having these hormones fluctuated can increase your hunger and craving for unhealthy food, leading to higher calorie intake. Number 10. Eliminate sugary drinks. Added sugar may very well be the single worst ingredient in the diet today. Sugary beverages like soda have been associated with an increased risk of many diseases. It is very easy to consume excess calories from sugary drinks because liquid calories don't affect fullness the way solid food does. Staying away from these beverages entirely can provide enormous long-term health benefits. However, note that you should not replace soda with fruit juice, as it can be just as high in sugar. Healthy beverages to drink instead includes water, coffee, and green tea.